3 injection points on both sides, and then we're done. Okay, so let's proceed with the procedure.
Good morning, darlings. I'm now on my way to my meeting for, of course, JJ3. Shout out Team Philippine! Yan, syempre si Dad and si Brad ko. And then later on, after that meeting, I need to go to House MD, of course, to have my weekly brightening drip. And of course, our maintenance for the slimming of my face para bigas para laging camera ready. Thank you so much House MD, Doc Nika and Doc Simon for taking care of my skin, and of course Dentalica Dental Clinic for taking care of my teeth, Doc Simon Tabangkura.
Basta yung sa plano ni Brad.
Ganda, no?
Kasi mag-work mo.
And Mami Darin. Sasama ko sila sa vlog eh. We're here again at House MD, of course, with Sharla again. Yan. Cleanse muna tayo ng face. And then yung procedure na gagawin sa atin is Botox. Yan, para hugis bigas ang ating face. And thank you so much Doc Nika and Doc Simon. Yung Botox, ang gagawin niya pala, it will weaken the muscle, no? Para mas mag-slim down. Tignan niyo yung face. Yung RF na ginagawa ko every month yun, no? Yan ay magic hands ni Charlotte. Dapat tinagal ko na yung lipstick ko.
Ang ganda ng lipstick mo naman.
MAC yan.
MAC po? Anong color mo?
Kalimutan ko eh. Basta pinkish siya na.
Parang hot pink mo.
Pagka sa lipstick, yun lang talaga ang tiwala ko, MAC. Pero ayaw ko nagpa-foundation. Ito, ano lang to. Sunscreen na may may tint. Oo, yung Lux Skin, yun lang ginagamit ko. Kasi hindi ako pwede sa yung parang foundation talaga. Ko, allergies.
Pero ang ganda naman kasi talaga ng skin mo. Kahit hindi naman.
Pero pag mga meetings kasi, syempre, di ba? Parang mas maganda yung talaga. So, nag-RF tayo. Parang, alam mo yun, yung skin ko, parang ang ganda niya tignan kahit wala akong makeup. Yung parang ang bright niya.
Ano yun mo? Kinabukasan?
Oo, saka effective sa akin yung brightening drip niya. Di mo ba brightening drip din ako? Weekly yun, diba?
Okay. Maganda kasi siya sa ano din, ma'am. Immune system po.
Lalo ngayon, puro ko travel. Thank you, House MD. Thank you. Kapit na natin. Ay, ano pala tayo?
Opo,
Lilipat
picture
pala
po.
tayo. Ah, picture.
Gusto mo ba mag-sleeper, ma'am?
Hindi, okay lang ako.
Opo, another picture.
Another picture. Sleepers muna tayo. Kasi, got my heels, 5 inches. Is ganda pag meeting. Yeah, we're going to have our brightening drip again.
Konti lang and then saka tayo mag-add up after 2 weeks. Mahirap kasi pag sumobra. Although Botox is not permanent pero it's not reversible. So after mga 4 to 6 weeks kasi yung effect niya. So hayaan natin paano kung sumobra yung lagay natin. So we want subtle muna na looking and then if you need to add more, we can add naman after 2 weeks. So we can access na. Thank you. Feeling mo mas stronger sa right compared dun sa left. You know what you can do is to inject 15 units on the right side, tas 12 dun sa left para tingnan natin. And then after 2 weeks, follow up tayo para ma-check natin kung ano yung maging outcome. If we need to add more, we can add more naman. So, 3 injection points, 1 here, then 2 sa bottom part. Siguro dito mga 12 units and then 15 ako sa other side. Usually ito yung marker natin. Kaya tayo may ganito safe level kasi ito. Kapag dito kasi sa taas, nangyayari is nagkakaroon tayo ng, may muscle dito na responsible when smiling. We don't want to relax that muscle kasi nagkakaroon tayo ng asymmetry dun sa face sa pag-smile natin. So, just to be safe, we do it lower dun sa usual na marker natin, which is ito yung gagawin natin yan. Putting some ice helps in numbing then the area before injecting. Although you're gonna feel the Botox kasi acidic siya, mas may pain kahit nag-anesthesia tayo sa kanya. A bit lang naman. Depende sa tolerance ng patient. So, pwede natin start.
Kaya ko yan, Dok. Mas madami na ako sakit na napagdaan.
So, Pepper is here again in our clinic, House MD Aesthetics. So, he had her treatment last week, no? Tama, Pepper? So, you had your Ultimate Power RF because she wants a more snatch, slimmer, and contoured face. So, kamusta naman yung treatment natin dun sa Ultimate Power RF?
For me, Doc, yung first session talaga, it's very effective kasi I can tell. Before kasi, pag nagpapa-photo ako or nag-video ako, kailangan angguluhan ko pa. Although it's still, andun pa rin siya, pero I can really tell na mas naging ano siya. Mas kita yung, mas contoured siya. Yun yung ano ko, gustong-gusto ko sa kanya. Naguhugis bigas na yun.
V-shape tayo ulit.
V-shape na siya.
Yes, So for today, since she requested to have a more slim face, we're gonna do the Botox in the masseter area or the popularly known as Jotox. So we'll be injecting a certain amount of units in both sides of the masseter to relax the muscle and helps in slimming down the face. So 3 injection points on both sides and then we're done. Okay? So let's proceed with the procedure. Kamusta?
No pain. Tolerable. Tolerable siya.
That's good.
Ngayon kasi Dok yung face ko, ano pa siya, Japanese rice pa rin.
Gawin natin basmati.
Ngayon gusto ko, basmati.
rice.
Oh,
Yes.
kasi mukha maka-Indiana, di ba?
So we're done with our procedure. So post-treatment, what to remember, no? Iwasan lang din natin muna yung facial massage. since the Botox is still there up until the 7th day to 14th day. So ayaw natin mag-travel to other areas to relax the other muscles that will cause asymmetry to our face. So iwasan din muna natin yung strenuous activities for 48 hours, and then too much sun exposure and facial massage. So whenever you're washing your face, you just have to dab dun sa area na para to dry it up, para maiwasan natin yung pag-rub and kumalat yung Botox. And for today, 4 to 6 hours, don't lie flat on your bed muna. Iwasan din muna natin na lie on your side. So straight muna for 48 hours para maiwasan yung compression and mag-travel yung Botox. Affected yung other areas, no? Na we don't want to be affected, no? Ganun kabilis. Expecting tayo after 7 days. Kita tayo ulit after 2 weeks pala. And then 7 days, magpipik yung effect ng Botox, and up to 14 days. Then that's the time we have to assess if we need to add more. Okay, but for now, yan muna tayo. Subtle looking lang muna. Huwag natin silang biglain.
Sinandoming muna.
Yan. Ganyan muna tayo. So, yan. Watch out for our journey, kung anong mga plans namin ni Pepper. So, unahin natin yung pagiging snatch. Marami pang susunod. Watch out for more.
Thank you, Doc Nika.
Thank you so much.
Doc Simon. House MD. Parang magiging swollen ba siya, Doc?
Wala.
Note down.
Usually, bruising lang ang side effect niya. Pero mukhang hindi naman tayo magbu-bruise kasi hindi naman naging madugo. Ibig sabihin, wala tayong na-hit na vessel. So, ayun lang. Actually, after 2 hours, pwede mo ma-compare. Pasend ko sa yung before picture mo. Kahit pa paano may makikita ka na magiging slim yung face mo.
Thank you so much.
So, next natin yung under eye.
Under eye.
Sige.
Thank you so much, House MD, for my Botox. And of course, my weekly brightening gel. Thank you.